I've got a confession to make. My tech gets dirty, like nasty, grody. You know what? Let's just say it's well loved. If you're looking at your laptop and don't remember when it was last cleaned, today's episode is for you. Let's do this. Hey everyone, I'm Trisha Hirschberger. Today I come to you with a question. How much do you love your laptop? Not in a grok waifu kind of way, in a this is a machine I use frequently that would be hard to replace and I want to keep it in good condition kind of way. Well, let's show that laptop some TLC. Before you get started, here's what we'll need. Microfiber cloths, available at your local grocery stores or even dollar stores. Pressurized canned air or rechargeable electric air blower, online or at any electronics store. Plastic dental cleaners, the kind with the short bristles, and some toothpicks or cotton swabs. You'll also want dish soap, vinegar, and if you can find it, 70% isopropyl alcohol. This stuff evaporates quickly, so it's perfect for cleaning electronics. You will not want ammonia or bleach-based products, which can damage computers, especially screens. Specific screen cleaner solution is much preferred. Before we do anything else, turn off your laptop, unplug it, and remove the battery if applicable. Lay a microfiber towel under the laptop to begin. You're going to be handling your machine a lot, so pro tip, don't pick it up with one hand. That's a good way to stress the chassis in a single spot. The screen is particularly sensitive to this, so don't pick your laptop up by the lid. Use the pressurized canned air or electric air blower to clear debris under keyboard keys, around screen edges, in and around touchpad buttons, physical ports, and cooling vents. If using canned air, short bursts from slightly farther back are best. Keep the can upright during use and spray from an angle where dust and debris will blow out of affected areas rather than getting pushed further in. For stubborn dust in cooling vents, you can gently loosen it first with a dental pick or cotton swab before blowing it out with canned air. When you're blasting air on the fans, carefully insert a toothpick or a cotton swab to hold the blades in place and stop them from overspinning. Oh, and if you don't want months or years worth of concentrated laptop schmutz propelled into your poor nose and mouth, you might want to wear a mask. Blech. Once you've gone over the keyboard thoroughly and blown away any debris, it's time to disinfect it. Lightly dampen a corner of a microfiber cloth with a cleaning product. Vinegar or diluted isopropyl alcohol are best. Again, damp, not wet. Gently press the key with the dampened cloth corner and make small circles with a finger. When the corner of the cloth gets soiled, which it will, dampen another corner with the same liquid and keep going. You can also use cotton swabs dipped in diluted isopropyl alcohol to clean a keyboard, but be sure to let it dry before turning it back on. After the keyboard is finished, you can move on to the outer surfaces using the same technique. If there's any stains on your laptop's level surfaces, no judgment, but you can use small amounts of diluted dish soap to get rid of them. For the screen, start from the outside and work your way in. Use your free hand to steady the screen and don't apply pressure. The cloth texture itself should be enough. Never spray the screen with fluid directly, since stray droplets can find their way behind the bevel edges of the screen and mess with the circuits. If you follow this advice, your laptop should look much cleaner. To keep it that way, have a microfiber cloth nearby with a little disinfectant to keep the keyboard and other areas in good shape. Cleaning your laptop doesn't just make it more pleasant to use, it can improve the health and longevity of your system by preventing the buildup of gunk. Keeping your laptop gunk and debris free will let it run cooler, help your components last longer, and could improve your personal health since you're no longer touching grimy keyboards and other laptop parts with fingers that you then use to eat, drink, rub your eyes, etc. Do you have any top tips for laptop cleaning? Any products that you swear by? Share them in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found these tips useful. See you next time.